What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG. As you can see, Urban Armageddon, yes, UAG, one of my favorite case companies, sent over the Plyo in the ice color for my Galaxy Note 9. So that's really dope. As you can see, typical UAG packaging, which some details about the cases on the packaging: impact resistant, forever light, easy access, airsoft corner, screen surround, and glare free flash. Things you've seen previously on the channel with other cases. So let me go ahead and just take this case out of the packaging. Typical UAG style, slide it right out. It comes right out. I love that packaging because it's easy to deal with. You don't have to go into beast mode or tear the packaging up or anything like that. And you can see in the sunlight, this case is beautiful. Definitely a good looking case. As you can see, all cutouts, all proper. Cutouts on the bottom for the S Pen, Type C, and headphone jack. Cutouts on the back for the cameras, fingerprint scanner, and that cutout will help you find a fingerprint scanner. This case also has feet with like air cushions, as you can see, around all four corners to really help you with some when you set it down on a hard surface. Really a good looking case. So I'm just gonna throw it on the phone and let y'all see what it look like. And as you can see, the sun is hitting it, the sun is shining, and this ice color, which is like a gray color, looks great on my Ocean Blue Note 9. It looks great on the Ocean Blue Note 9. As you can see, you got grips on the side. Grips are good drop protection because with grip, you won't drop your phone. All the cutouts is lined up. Got UAG branding. Definitely a dope case. So thanks for UAG for sending it out. Definitely an eye catcher. Your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.